Everyone, and welcome back to this channel. And today I'm going to walk you through how to add your pronouns to your Discord account. Now, let's say adding pronouns is extremely important to you and you want to do it so you can know how you'll be addressed, and to avoid confusion. What you do, you simply open up your app, and next thing you tap on your profile icon at the bottom, then tap on edit profile, and now you go to your pronouns. Tap on pronouns, and you can type in the pronouns you want to be used. For example, I identify as a cat, so I want to use the pronoun I only want to be addressed as a cat or kitty. And then I put it there and I tap on save. And it's as simple as that. Now, if you don't want to use that, you can see when you look at it here, it appears as cat or kitty. Now, if you don't want to use that method, you can also add it to your display name if you want, your unique name. You can add it to your display name here. You can put your pronouns there. If you don't just want to put it in your pronouns alone, you can add it there. You can add it to your display name, you can add it to your server name. It all depends on you. Hope you found this video helpful.